It all started in 1978. The founder of Fivestar Industry began this journey. Originally started as an OEM manufacturer, Fivestar's factory was the key supplier to China's famous welder brand, Shanghai Welder. In 2000, Fivestar started a new journey of transformation to have own brand with strong capability in R&D, manufacture and service. Our company has gained ISO 9001 certificate and more than 20 patents. Our industry has a land area of 150,000 square meters and total assets of $300 million USD, including advanced machineries to ensure our products are qualified and meet customers' requirements. Fivestar is committed to provide one-stop solution for metal products manufacturer, including industries of welding, steel drum, transformer radiator, automotive, and elevator. The portfolio of our products comprises welding machines, welding lines, welding spare parts, and copper alloy. With our global strategic R&D partners in Canada, the company distinguished itself from other Asian suppliers with its ability to design and manufacture to the demanding quality standards of many large and professional companies in the industry. Our products can be found in the workshop of over 80% domestic steel drum, 70% transformer radiator manufacturers, and more than 50 countries and areas. We offer customized solutions for clients' projects and provide perfect after-sales service. You are welcome to consult us for your products and projects.